I'm gonna not be what am I doing? What's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome back to Hinky. Welcome back. I'm just saying if you are new here. If you are new here, welcome to my channel Hinky Things. Today I'm going to be doing another makeup video, doing a look using the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice palette. So today I'm going to be trying something new, and let's get straight into this video. So I have already done my brows and I have primed my eyes, and today I'm just clapping away today apparently. Anyway, today I've used the Essence I Heart Stage eyeshadow base. I bought this a while ago and I never really used it because I'm so used to using concealer to prep my eyeballs. So the look that I'm going to go for is the one that I've seen Jordan Byers and Jeffree Star do, where they use reddish or peach colors in the crease and then they just like wipe the whole lid with the teal blue shade, which is something that I'm going to try today. I think I'm going to go in with the peach, and the peach is Quicksand. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Quicksand first, which is this one over here. Maybe I should pack a red on first. Okay, so I'm gonna try something different. I'm actually gonna go in with Saffron, which is the dark maroonish color over here, and I'm gonna pack that on the outer corner of my lid and a bit inside. So let's see how this goes, because I have not done this before. Okay, so that is the red packed on, and it packed on quite nicely. I feel like my brush wasn't right for this type of shadow, but it packed on nicely. And now I'm gonna go in with Quicksand, which is that peachy color over here, and I'm going to use that on the outer edge of my crease so that I can just soften it up and give it a bit of a better color. I'm gonna leave it there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut my crease with my concealer, and I'm gonna use my NYX concealer. I'm going to go in with the red color again, and I'm gonna pack it on between the red and the concealer over there to make it look a bit more normal. So now for the fun part. I feel really close to you guys right now. But now I'm gonna go in with the teal color, which is called Evil Genie, and I'm gonna pack that on my lid, and let's see how this goes. Now that this blue is packed on nicely, I'm gonna again go in with my blending brush and blend it and make it look normal and not crazy. So this I think is as much blending as I can do, because as I'm trying to blend, the blue is actually falling off, or it's mixing with the red and it's becoming purple, and that's not what I planned. For my inner corners, I'm gonna go in with the Metal Shock eyeshadow by Essence. There is a color. It's the color Stars and Stories. Okay, so this was supposed to be inner corner, but it ended up just being like the inner thirds of my eye. And I don't know, I think when the lashes go on, and when this liquid eyeshadow is dried down a bit, I think it might look nice. If it doesn't, oh well. While that is drying down, with my wet wipe or my beauty, what do you call it, makeup wipe, I'm going to just wipe away the excess eyeshadow, because I was supposed to put tape and have it in a V, so I'm just going to be lazy and do that quickly. Not pick a good time to film. And in the meantime, I've already put primer on my face. I'm gonna go in with foundation, so I'll be right back with some foundation. Okay, so that is foundation on, and I'm sure by now we know that if I don't always wear foundation, but when I do, it never matches my skin tone. Then I'm going to go ahead and conceal my under eyes before I carry on with anything to do with this crazy eye look right now. I love how this concealer matches my skin tone more than my actual foundation. Okay, then I'm going to go in with my NYX concealer just a little bit, just to brighten up, because this is, I almost put my those under my eyes. Just to brighten it up a bit, since I do have very bold eyes today. And then I'm gonna go in with my Ben Me or Ben NYE powder. I'm not sure how to pronounce it still. And I'm just gonna set all of the concealer I jammed into my pores. Now the color of my forehead is bothering me. Oh, that missed. So I am going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Face powder real quick, and I'm just going to color correct my face and make it look like my actual skin tone. There's something in my eye. Okay, so before I go in with the rest of my face, I am going to do my lower lash line. And with my lower lash line, I'm going to... What do I want to do for my lower lash line actually? Okay, I now need a smaller brush because I'm poking my eyes out, but I do not have a smaller brush, so I'm going to use this brush that probably doesn't even have a name. I'm going to go in with the peach color, and I'm going to soften the red at the bottom. I have an idea that is probably not going to turn out right, but let's try it. I'm going to be right back. I'm just going to try something. Okay, so I'm back, and I went ahead and played around a bit with my eyes, and I ended up dragging that liquid eyeshadow all the way into my crease. I don't even know if it looks nice, but I was having fun, so I think I'm done with my eyes. I am going to go ahead and put my... Am I sitting too close, or did this come forward? Ah, okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put liquid liner on and lashes. And it might be a while, so I'm gonna cut straight to where I have my eyes completely done. Okay? And we're back. And you are... people who could put lashes on every day or every other day like it's applying eyeliner, I don't know. I respect you people, because this is just not... I don't even know if they're glued on properly. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the face, because I think this whole video has just been on my eyes. Using my Too Faced natural, I was gonna say natural eyes, my Too Faced natural face palette. And we're going to just contour and the usual bits and bobs. For the highlighter, I've seen some people use, what's the color? Moroccan Ice as the highlighter. which is the white color over here. So I'm going to try a little bit just to see how it looks. Okay. Wow, okay, so that actually doesn't look bad as a highlight, but because I just feel like I need to put some sort of actual highlight on, I'm just gonna go in with Satin Sheets from the Too Faced face palette. Just gonna go over that. There we go. Then for my lips, I have a choice between two lipsticks, if I can just find them, because I just took everything and threw it on the floor. I actually lost the other lipstick. But anyway, I'm gonna just throw on this Vinyl Color Boost lipstick. So this is the finished look, guys. Please, I don't know if it came out right. I think it looks pretty from far, but when you go up close, I think I kind of messed up with the glitter. But it's okay, it was fun. And yeah, so this was me trying to not copy, but I drew inspiration, or more or less kind of just changed up little tweaks of the makeup looks from Jordan Byers and Jeffree Star using the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice palette. And I like it actually. I would wear this for like a party, like a fancy party. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So subscribe and notification bell. And make sure you follow all my social media down below, or I'll pop it up on the screen over here. And with that, I will see you guys all in my next video. Adios, amigos.